everyone. Good morning. Is it good morning still up?
No,
Noon time?
afternoon already. Noon time.
Yes, noon time. And this is my lunch. I have latte. Pwede kasi no sugar. Then si Asoka, I only this one also. Ayan, minus 7 kilo. Woo! Hello everybody. 9th day. Oh my God, we've come so far, Lava.
Yes.
Crazy. Sobrang saya. How many 12 more days and we will hit the 21-day challenge. Let's go, go, go. Kayang-kaya. As in, sasabihin lang natin na hindi kaya, but actually, kayang-kaya talaga. Cheers for my lunch. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. So, galing namin sa grocery dahil binilhan namin si Cathy ng mga kailangan niya at gusto niyang kainin para habang kami ay nagda-diet, pwede niya kaming sabayan. Magluto siya ng something healthy kasi ayaw din namin na kami lang yung maging healthy. So, we also want her to be healthy, eat healthy. So, I asked her kung ano yung gusto niya, tapos nilista niya at binigay niya sa akin at binili ko kanina. So gusto niya ng ampalaya, but I helped her chop. Sabi ko, ako na ang magcha-chop dito kasi nagbabantay siya kay baby boy na sa taas. Sabi ko, ako na yung magcha-chop ng mga ampalaya para mamayang gabi, ikaw na yung bahala magluto kung ano yung gusto mong style na luto. Kasi si Cathy and me, we are very different when it comes to cooking. Kasi gusto niya yung medyo maalat. Hindi pala, medyo maalat talaga. And then, sabi niya, gusto niya ng baboy. So, I bought her pork belly. And then, i-chop ko na lang din ito na maliliit. So, an okra. I also bought okra for her. Meron na ditong mga okra kasi magda-diet din daw siya. Parang, hindi naman mag-diet. Mag control ng kain at eat healthy. So, cucumber. And also her Yakult. Gusto niya ng Yakult. Pero magpabili pa din ng Coca-Cola. And then gusto niya din pala ng luncheon meat. So, binilan ko siya luncheon meat. Shampoo niya. So, ayan guys. Ngayon ay mag-chop na lang ako ng mga pagkain niya na kailangan luto. Para malas na lang. Mamayang gabi, magluluto siya pag may milk. So, everybody's happy and healthy. Yun ang pinaka-importante, no? Oh. Yan. Here. So, ito yung baboy natin. So, kuhain ko na lang din. Pero maliliit naman din ito. Ito yung gusto na. Okay, see you guys. Hi guys. On our 9th day, that pretty girl over there. Woo! Rock and roll. Me. Oh. Hi guys. Finally done. Woo! Another exercise coming up. Let's go everyone. No pain, no gain. Guys, katatapos ko lang twice sa stationary bike. And then 14 minutes each session. So, sobrang pagod na pagod. But it's alright. Sarap ng pakiramdam. Ganina, sobrang pawis na pawis. Burn a lot today. And sauna. Mag-weights muna ako para hindi lumaulaw ng bongga yung katawan natin. Kasi pumapaya tayo. So, wait. So, we have to use the weights para hindi masyadong lumaulaw ang ating skin. After workout, I'm going to have coffee. After workout, sauna, steam. Guys, nasa bahay na. Ay, pupuntahan lang kami sandali. And then after that, uwi na bahay at tutulog.
Twinkle little star, how what you are up above the world so high, like a diamond in the money twinkle
Si Bob deh, si Bob going.
star.
So Bob deh. Bob going.
Going to around for a while.
Bob go to jalan.
Jalan-jalan.
Bob is now. Bob go jalan.
Jalan-jalan.
Guys, look at. Hi to the cat.